Ready to turn your home into a personal spa? Let's unwrap something that's all about relaxation. A ver qué tal. Ooh, fancy. This is nice. This is a great gift. This is a back massager with heat. And check this out. Featuring 4D Shiatsu needling and rolling. It's designed to move up and down. Yeah, for a deep massage right where you need it. You can use this on your back. You can use this on your shoulders. You can use it on your legs. Yes, you can utilize it for different parts of your body. So let's check it out deeper. A ver qué tal. Check this out. You can connect it at home or in your car. So check this out. Comes with a remote. Okay, it's time to try it out because I'm ready to get a massage. A ver qué tal. A perfect gift for mom, dad, or yourself, especially for Father's Day or just because you deserve the break. Feel the stress melt away anytime, anywhere. The 4D Shiatsu Massager, your new favorite self-care essential. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to pure comfort.